Good Wednesday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. Hopefully, everyone has had a fantastic Wednesday. I'm your host for South Carolina weather, Jesse Peterson. Let's talk about the weather for your Wednesday. No rain falling on the radar right now. You'll see it here. So, we're going to scroll our way out and we're going to go to the RMS. And as we scroll our way out, you can see that we do have some flooding going on in New Orleans. Reports water is entering homes inside of mainly around the Lafayette or region of Louisiana. Water is entering homes. Cars are stalled. You can see streets flooded all throughout the Lafayette area inside Louisiana, and seems to be just concentrating in that area as more rain possibly could be on the way. And then we even have rain that goes all the way up into Tennessee, Mississippi, and Arkansas, and the Boot Hill, Missouri. We also do have some rain going through Kansas City and through eastern Oklahoma, western Iowa, and portions of Nebraska, Minnesota, and South Dakota as well, which all of that is rain. No snow. All of that is rain. And then over here in the Pacific Northwest, we do have rain falling throughout pretty much most of the Pacific Northwest as well. As we go on, talk about our cloud cover. Cloud cover right now, we do have some clouds going on inside the South Carolina Georgia border, near the Low Country, and then maybe even some little light clouds up there in the PD region as well. As you go on and push this forward as well for our future cloud cover, you see that's still going to be pretty clear today until we get to around tonight, where it's going to be completely overcast. And then as you go into tomorrow morning, um, it's still not really. No sunlight is going to be active. It's going to be all cloud cover. Here's our current temperatures: 48 in Columbia, 55 in Charleston, 50 inside of Georgetown, 50 inside of Myrtle Beach, 44 inside of Rock Hill, 46 in Greenville and Spartanburg, as well as 48 in Anderson, 50 in Augusta, 53 in Walterboro, 55 in Beaufort, 57 in Savannah. Some of these temperatures could be a bit higher because by the time I'm recording this, the video is going to go out later. But this is just as I am recording. High temperatures for today around 62 in Columbia, 65 in Charleston and Moncks Corner, as well as 67 inside Walterboro, 69 inside of Hilton Island, as well as 64 in Georgetown, 63 in Myrtle Beach, 60 in Dillon, 61 in Florence, 60 inside of Cheraw, 58 in Rock Hill, 57 in Spartanburg, 58 in Greenville, as well as 59 inside of Anderson and Greenwood and Newbury, as well as Winsboro. Here is our peak sustained winds. Peak sustained winds right now, honestly, could be from around 10 to 15, maybe even upwards of 20 miles an hour in some spots. It's possible. So it's definitely going to be a pretty breezy day today. And if you get into our wind gusts in areas could gust up to 30 miles per hour. Again, not destructive or anything like that, but it is definitely something that you might want to, something that you might want to just be prepared for just in case. Um, and again, it's 30 miles an hour. It's not much. The only thing that might happen is just, the scale just says large branches move, wires whistle, umbrellas are difficult to use, which no rain is expected today, except for the upstate. Except for the upstate, with a hundredth of an inch to a tenth of an inch possible in Hilton Island and Charleston, and then Greenwood, Newbury, Winsboro, Rock Hill, Lawrence all have a chance for a hundredth of an inch to a tenth of an inch, and then a tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch possible inside of Anderson and Greenville, and then a quarter of an inch to a half an inch possible inside like Oconee County all the way up there, and also over there near the South Carolina North Carolina border. And with that rain possible up there in the far upstate, with some thunderstorms are possible. Actually, we saw last night for yesterday's models, a thunderstorm is possible up there as well. Let's check it out in the models. Here's the model. We don't want the temperature. Composite reflectivity. As you go on and push this forward, you're not really seeing any rain until you get to really tomorrow morning, like early morning. So no rain really is possible until you get to around 12 o'clock in the morning in the Greenville, Simpsonville region. And then it goes up towards Gaffney around 2 a.m. Just some isolated showers. And then if you go into the low country down there, maybe even those showers that we were just talking about earlier, near the coastal region, there they are right there at around 12 to 2 o'clock in the morning is when those showers are possible. So that's pretty much for the day right there. Not much rain is expected until around 12 o'clock in the morning. Here is the NHC outlook. Disturbance 1. A broad area of low pressure over the Central Caribbean Sea continues to produce a large area of showers and thunderstorms. Environmental conditions are conducive for development, and a tropical depression is likely to form within the next couple of days, while the system moves slowly west into the Western Caribbean Sea. Afterward, further development is likely while the disturbance meanders over the Western Caribbean Sea. Through the weekend, the system is expected to turn slowly northwest by early next week. Interest across the western and northwestern Caribbean Sea should monitor the progress of the system. Regardless of development, heavy rains are expected over Jamaica the next day or so. For more information, go to the National Weather Service High Seas Forecast example. And also, an Air Force Hurricane Hunter aircraft is scheduled to investigate the system later today. So, we're going to watch for that as well. We're going to see what inform on. I'm going to inform. I don't know why that took me so long to say, but inform y'all on that later today. When we do our evening video tonight. Right now, only a 90% over the next 48 hours, 90% over the next 7 days as well. If you go to the Eastern Pacific and the Central Pacific, nothing going on. And that's pretty much it. So here's the last look at your radar right here. Again, nothing going on. So I think we're good with rain for the day. Until you get to around 12 o'clock in the morning is when you might start to see some isolated showers near the coast and in the far upstate as well. So that's what we're watching for. So everyone have a fantastic rest of your Wednesday. Make sure you go on and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button. We're trying to get to 400 subscribers, and we are hopefully going to start that journey today and get our first couple of subscribers to get to 400 today. Let's get there, and let's just see when we can get there. But I will be back tonight, 9 o'clock p.m. with another forecast update, and make sure that you follow today.